Hello, dear friend. There is a major discount on Black Magic product and DaVinci Resolve. There is a Black Friday nowadays. The Black Friday is going on, and we can buy product on discount. If you want Black Magic and you have been working on Black Magic free version for a long time, this is the best time, and you can buy the product. You see here, we can save more up to 20%, and save up to 20% means if you buy this product, for example, you see here limited offer DaVinci Resolve sale is going on, and 20% discount on DaVinci Resolve Studio, DaVinci Resolve Micro Color Panel, a Fairlight Desktop Console, and DaVinci Resolve Micro Panel. You see, this product is the DaVinci Resolve was 295 USD when I wanted to buy last month. I bought a speed editor for $395, and I got DaVinci Resolve to license it, means for two systems, whole life perpetual license free DaVinci Resolve. In this way, you can get DaVinci Resolve free. Here you see DaVinci Resolve Micro Color Final means 390. This price is actually this best. Its price was 509 USD last month. I wanted to buy, but I couldn't. Ultimately, I bought a speed editor. This is the best if you want to be a colorist. Yeah, this Micro Color Final is the you see here. This is the best way to go, and you can buy here only on 300 for 395 USD, and you will go to DaVinci Resolve for two systems. Whole perpetual license means you get DaVinci Resolve software plus hardware. It's the best time, dear friend. DaVinci Resolve Micro Panel, here 665 USD. If you want a micro panel, DaVinci Resolve Micro Panel, you can go for this here, and it's a 600. This before sale, the price was 859 USD. Means here you can you are saving 200 USD. You mean it's the best time. And Fairlight Desktop Console, if someone has more audio productions, they can buy this is 355 USD. Now on discount 445 USD only. It's the best time, and the 20 means you are saving 20%, and you are getting DaVinci Resolve free. Otherwise, if you want to go with DaVinci Resolve, it's a 235. No, there is no discount on the speed editor which I bought last month. You see, I am showing you here. See, I am showing here. You see, I bought this speed editor last month. It's at 395 USD. I bought it, but there is no discount on speed editor. But it's the best time. You see, DaVinci Resolve color panels. They're at 395 USD. Means this is the same price. The color panel is more valuable and value for money. I think if anyone have a chance, just grab. If you have money and you want to spend this money on the good things, on video editing, and if you want to earn from video editing, this is the best way to go to use this DaVinci Resolve color panel. Otherwise, DaVinci Resolve 235 USD, you can go for this product. You know why we should buy DaVinci Resolve? I show you. No, just come to the open DaVinci Resolve here. You see, this is the I bought last month this speed editor. See here in the video. You see, I have a known features. I want to just see what's inside, how it looks different. Don't miss the class. Listen to the end. I will show you what's the function inside, and it will be very interesting for you, dear friend. It was my happiness. You see, the happiest moment in my life to get such a fantastic hardware and software. This only the Black Magic company can do. No other company can do. Video editing company here in the world. No Premiere Pro. No the light works. Nobody can provide such a fantastic hardware plus two software. Whole life you see. You see, dear friend, I bought this speed editor for last month $395, and I got DaVinci Resolve free for my two systems. And why it's necessary to buy DaVinci Resolve? I had been working in DaVinci Resolve free for 2 years, more than 2 years. I learned this software after migrating from Premiere Pro. You have to pay every month 15 to 20 USD. I don't know. No, I don't work in Premiere Pro for video editing. So here, once you buy, and in Premiere Pro, you can't buy such hardware speed editor. It's a very your editing will be very fast. You on cut tab, it works so nice, dear friend. After 2 months of experience, I am telling you why we should buy this because one very important things I can do here. I will come here, you see, and from here I can add subtitles. I can edit video on the base of text here. It's a very convenient, dear friend. For example, I come here, I show you. You see here we are on timeline. We are on timeline. When you have paired DaVinci Resolve here, you have a function this audio transcribe. We just come here and transcribe. It's analyzing now. It's automatically add here text. Just wait, please, dear friend. Listen this class in the end. It's very important, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. It motivates me a lot, dear friends. I have been working for you very hard day and night for making contents. If I don't see any subscription and like comment, it just disappoints me. Here you see, no, we have transcribed our video, what I have spoken, and 99%, 95%, you see here, it's you can read what I have spoken in the video. It's accurate 95, 6%, and some mistakes, because when my pronunciation is not clear, I can make mistake. But there you can just from here you can add, you can edit, and after that you can add this to your timeline here, and you can add subtitle. Otherwise, what where I have spoken this, you see media, every media in here it's a showing me. I will just you see, only I have just selected it. It's a showing me I have spoken here. If I want to add any point here, I will click here, I can add anything here. For this I bought actually, and I got hardware. When you come to here in the fusion and color panels, here you see I'm in fusions, and you see here there is a magic mask. There is a feature, I just type you see magic mask, I add, just add. And from here I can remove background. It's the most accurate background removal software in DaVinci Resolve. Here nowhere you can get such type of accurately, but in the next video I will show you how you can accurately through the use of AI and your video card, graphic card, you can remove background, and it works 100% accurate, dear friend. And there are lots of things which you can't find anywhere. uh, when you come here and edit on audio, if I come to audio here, you see this is the voice isolation here. This feature on audio, you have to come here. This is voice isolation. It's a AI feature, and it makes your sound very clear. Using just, you have to click, and it will automatically edit your sound, make your sound very clear, and it works 100% correct. Otherwise you have to manually do everything. For such type of manual work, if you want to save your time while video editing, you can use this when you have studio version. And there are lots of effect which I can't cover in one video. You can export video here to 8K. When you have free version, you can export 4K. It's also good, because 8K is a very rare. And but in future, you have client who wants 8K video, you want to edit video in 8K. Here you can do that in timeline resolution. Here you see here, and so it's a good, in 8K you can export your video from here. And there are the lots of codec support in the paid version of the DaVinci Resolve. You can't understand in one video. And that's why I think so we must purchase DaVinci Resolve. If you have money, if you are earning something, and if you want a good software, it's the best time here. We are on the sale. It's the best time to just to go for mm, this product you can buy. And in the next video, we will learn more about how to edit your video through speed editors. And we have nowadays the DaVinci Resolve tutorial for beginners, intermediate to advanced users, dear friend. You can join our class. In future, I will add more lessons on our channel. Dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channels, and share these channels to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorials, dear friend. It will help them a lot. And write a comment, subscribe. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivations, dear friend. And if you want to save 20%, it's the best time now to buy any product from here. Or otherwise you can go for these, or you can go buy speed editor, which is 395 USD only, and you will get the DaVinci Resolve free, dear friend. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.